Good morning, guys! No, hindi na morning. Hindi na pala morning. Hapon na. Magwawan na. Si Dan nasa shower. And then, I will take a shower after him. Hindi ko na-paint yung nails ko kagabi, pero okay lang yan. Ipipaint ko siya siguro mamayang, tatanggalin ko siya mamayang gabi yung nail polish, tapos ipipaint ko siya bukas. Kasi I need to have new nail polishes on before Monday. Kasi pupunta ako sa bahay ni Kat. Mag-film kami ng collab. And the charge ko na to, yung battery ko. Bakit ang puti na mukha ko? Tingnan. Okay. Kala ko mas maputi yung mukha ko kasi sa leg ko. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. Whatever. Yung buhok ko, in fairness naman talaga sa buhok ko, you guys. Hindi ko siya strenate at all kahapon. And look at this. Hindi ko siya babasain today. Binasa ko siya kahapon. And yeah, nag-shampoo ako yung Garnier. Sobrang gusto ko yung shampoo na yun. Yung Fructis. Ay, ang ganda ng shampoo na yun. Alam niyo naman, if you've been watching my videos for a while, nung matagal pa talaga, nung konti pa lang kayo, char. So, kung nandito pa rin kayo, sobrang salamat. Pero, yeah, noon, hindi ako talaga nagsashampoo. I always just use conditioner, if not conditioner treatment. Pero ngayon, I shampoo it once a week. So, I wash my hair twice a week. Depende. Kung I feel like my hair is so gross, I will wash it like more than twice. Pero usually, twice a week. And I've been using the Garnier since nung dumating ako dito, kasi yun yung shampoo ni Dan, and ayoko namang, hey, bilhan mo ako ng bagong shampoo, like, you know, I didn't really care. So, I tried the shampoo and I really like it. I actually featured it in my favorites video, yung unang favorites video na dito ko film, kasi nga, bonggang nagustuhan ko yung shampoo. And then, yung treatment na gamit ko is yung keratin. I still use it because I took, I don't know, 12 sachets. A shop sent it to me before I left. I forgot the shop name. I'm so sorry. If you're watching and ikaw yung nag-send sa akin ng 12 na sachets ng keratin, please comment below para makredit ka sa next one. Pero yeah, thank you so much kasi yun talaga yung gamit ko all the time. Like, after ko mag-shampoo, ginagamit ko yung keratin ko. And yeah, you done? Ooh, you're good! I will go take a shower now. Punta kami ng Kmart. We will just go inside for a bit. And then we will have lunch at Hungry Jack's later on. I have no makeup on. Later na ako mag-makeup before ng show. Oh, I look really chaka. I found some jeans that I think will fit me, but I'm not gonna try them on. Because I don't wanna take off my jeans. Sobrang daming shoes dito. Nag-sale na yung mga boots. Tapos nandito na yung mga flip-flops. Kasi spring na. We're homie. We went to Foodland to get this. And then he got that huge hash donut. Huge. And then our burgers. Yummers. Hala. Di ako masyadong mahilig sa burger. Pero, it's okay. I will eat it once in a while. Get the Whopper. Whopper? Look how big is that, you guys. Hindi ko ito mauubos for sure.
Looks good.
It does, and it smells good as well. Here's your donut, babe. Okay, kain tayo! Hello! So bright. Let's close this, okay? I will put some makeup on kasi pupunta kami sa show. Ilang beses ko rin sinabi yan. Pero yeah, pupunta kami doon. Makikita nyo mamaya. Sobrang lamig. Sila Kat nandun na. Hindi ko alam kung, siguro kakarating lang nila, sabi niya ang dami daw tao. I will be using this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye na concealer. This is in the shade You're Not Gonna Focus. Yep, medium. And yeah, my nails. That's okay. Neutral medium. Ito yung nakuha ko from Nice, yung from her giveaway. Okay, that should be enough. That looks a lot actually. Wow, super thick niya, you guys. Merong time sa YouTube na sobrang daming nagre-rave nitong concealer na to. Ay, I forgot to apply BB cream. My goodness. And sobrang konti lang yung nilagay ko. And it went a long way. Like, look at that. Parang pwede ko na itong ipang all over my face. I look like a ghost. I don't think this is a good idea at all. Look at me now. You guys, I removed it. Kasi sobrang OA ng concealer I-try ko siya ulit. Pero as in, sobrang konting-konti na lang yung gagamitin ko. As in, sobrang teeny bitty-bitty. Mag-BB cream ako. Gagamitin ko yung eye white ko as usual. Sa lahat ng BB cream na nagamit ko, walang joke yung eye white. Yung pinaka the best. Okay, try natin to ulit. Sobrang konting-konting-konti lang. Like that much. Sobra, as in, a little goes a freaking long way. And as in, dito ko lang talaga siya ilalagay sa under eyes ko. Hindi ko na siya ilalagay sa nose or sa forehead. Kasi, maputi itage. That should be better now. Kasi sobrang konting, as in, sobrang konting-konti lang talaga yun, ha. I like this concealer. Okay, way better! Na-save natin ang aking mukha earns. Okay, I will finish up my face. Hello! Papunta na kami sa show. It's so freaking cold! I did bring my coat just in case because when we went out the house today, I was like, no, I can't. So I brought that and then dinala ko din yung gloves kasi sabi niya, you will need it. Siguro magtatagal kami doon. We will stay until, you said we will be home like 11:30, you said? What time is the fireworks?
Fireworks at 9. They go for about half an hour, 20 minutes.
Okay. So fireworks at 9.
10, 10:30, 11.
Okay. So uuwi daw kami mga ganun na kalit. But everything's good. My video is ready for tonight. So that's good. And then I edited my vlog as well earlier. That's gonna be up tomorrow. I-upload ko na lang yun kasi tapos ko na siya ma-edit. So yeah, bukas ko na yun upload. And yes, we're heading to a show. We'll see kung anong ganap sa show. When was the last time you went, babe?
Last year.
Oh, you did? Oh yeah! Meron kang free ticket. You had free ticket last year.
Yeah, it's going.
Yeah.
The last time I went properly was a couple of years ago. Like actually, like the last 2 times I've only gone and spent 20 minutes inside.
Okay.
Yeah. It's been years since I've actually gone and spent several
But you
hours.
didn't really go on rides last year. Now we will! 2 rides. So yeah, it's exciting. I don't think I can vlog during the ride.
You can,
I don't really know what's
be cut on the road.
what kind of rides they have there. We'll see. We'll see. We're here. Daming tao.
Oh, when you're on. Big deal.
Yeah. Special mix. Is that okay? Yummers. Yummers. Yay! Dito kami sa loob ng, ewan ko, ang daming laman dito, but we will go there, that pink one. It says Fashion and Beauty Fair. Is it? Is it fair or just Fashion and Beauty?
Fashion.
Beauty. Let's go. You guys, we went on that ride. It's so scary, my goodness. Do you want to take a picture here?
I'll take a picture of you.
No, us. Sobrang nakakatakot.
Take away that rock and roll, out of control. So hold tight, sit up straight. This one's going to be dynamite.
Sobrang nakakatakot, sabi niya, hindi na daw kami Okay. Let's have... Do you want something to eat? Hello! I'm with Rosalie. There's your channel, you guys. Tinanggal ko yung contacts ko kanina. Wow, there's your channel.
Napaka-pro niya mag-vlog. As in, kapag in-open niya yung camera, as in, yun na kagad.
Yun na kagad, hello na kagad. Ano, mag-apprayer kami yung camera. Ano din si Kat?
Kami tatlo actually.
Hello.
Where's your camera?
Kanina ka pa, hindi ka nilalamig?
Lamig na eh.
Oo nga eh. Meron na, nagdala ko ng coat pero iniwan siya sa car.
Yeah.
Yay! Vlog
Hi!
session!
Hi, Racers!
Racers!
Ikaw kasi. Ikaw kasi ano.
Racers! Meron siyang tawag.
Oo nga.
Pare-pareho. Eh, sa'yo.
Combination in the Philippines?
Sa kanya mapula. Eh kasi, ay, nakapula. Wala. Yan mo. Vloggers.
It's like
Di ba pula
Airbnb.
Oo.
Bakit?
Aim setting, naka-vivid.
24/9.
Ah, yung sa'yo. Ay, may vivid vivid.
Ano yan? Maybelline matte.
May pa-vivid ka ha?
Ganyan po talaga kapag mga addict sa makeup. Ano yun? Bakit may vivid? Ano yun?
Parang
Vivid yung kulay na.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Ito,
fully
yung
finished.
corrupt.
yung mata ko din vivid. No? Ang pula-pula.
Trying to the market. So
Oh yeah, it matches your glasses. Ha? Teka.
Vlog na lang para sa akin. Wala na akong battery.
Si Rosalie, binigyan niya ako ng bear.
Si Miss Bear, saka si Mr. Bear. Mahal na yan. Thanks, Rosalie.
Thank
Tapos
you.
ito.
And ito din.
Ito pa.
Yeah. Ay, meron pa.
Kasi nga, alam ko siya nang makikita ko ngayon, hindi ikaw. Ito, hindi yan lipstick ha.
Do you want me to open it?
Open. Ay, ito.
Binigyan niya ako ng tripod, ginamit na agad-agad.
Hindi kasi minsan, kapag mahirap hawakan,
Yeah.
tapos sa restaurant, di ba wala kang mapatungan. Gusto ko taas mo pang isa.
Oo. Ay, na-adjust. Yeah.
Kunyari, nasa restaurant kayo. Ay, nagagalaw.
Nice.
Paano nahihila pala?
May nagagalaw to.
Oo, yes. Gusto mong itaas.
Ay, bongga. Nice. Thank you.
Oh, hindi ka na
Wow.
mahihirapan na.
Yeah, iwan na lang natin yan. Open ko na.
Sige ba?
Lagay mo sa akin.
Sige,
Unboxing.
Unboxing. Wala na kasi
Oh.
ang battery.
Hello. Ay, may letter. Wait, later. Hello. Bracelet. Habang I
Kapag
can't see.
nag-film ka,
Yeah. I don't know if it's in focus, but yeah.
it's not focusing. Yung hindi nagpo-focus eh.
Oh, there you go. Nice. And then there's one more. Sabi niya hindi daw to lipstick.
Ay, binuksan na.
Bakit hindi?
Ay, natanggal.
What is it?
Hindi, ipasok mo.
Ano yan?
Ayan siya.
Ah! Oh, okay. Nail polish remover pen. Removal pen.
Yung kapag lumampas,
Okay.
tapos gano'n mo.
Ganda na nail polish pen.
First time. Oh, that's nice. Ganito.
Nice color.
W7.
Uy, I like it.
Nawala. Saka yung top Lori na quick dry. Logging.
Hindi ko pa na-try.
W7 lang sa price line. Sayang sa
Naka-sale or ano?
I think they
Hindi, binigyan ako ni
Yeah,
Chris.
look better.
Pero I'm not sure if ano yun. If,
Quick
I'm not sure kung
Hindi,
pwede.
magkaiba.
Yeah. Thank you! Thank you!
Eh, hindi. Ano lang yan kasi nga.
You didn't have to. Pero thank you.
Hindi, remembrance.
Mamaya ko na tabasahin yung letter mo.
O, diba? O, kunyari.
Oo, ang cute!
Saka magaan lang siya. Kaya kumakain kasi kayo ni Dan, nakaganyan lang yung ano, nakikita ko lang plato. Nangiingit ng ano ng pagkain. Pagkain lang tayo pag napakita niya.
Kaya binigyan niya ako ng ganito kasi kapag kumakain kami, need to shoot this sa isa sa mga and then you will get any of those. So we'll see. I don't have my contacts on, so I'm not sure if I can do this, but I'll give it a shot.
Yeah, and one more.
That sucks. Bye, show. We're heading home. My eyes are still so red. I do not know why, but yeah, my memory card is almost full, so I'm just gonna say good night. Good morning. Katatapos ko lang mag-prepare ng tea ni Dan, and then my coffee. Yes, wala akong nail polish. I need to replace it. Tinanggal ko yung nail polishes ko last night. And then mamaya, ipipaint ko siya. Siguro mamayang gabi. And yung tea ni Dan, pang ano na siya, pang 10th day na ngayon. So, I will show you guys later yung show bags na binili namin kagabi. Kasi sa show nila, sa Adelaide show, merong mga show bag. Like, okay, I have one thing in here. Ito, I have this one. Ito yung binili ni Dan for himself. Actually, he paid for my show bag as well kasi sabi niya, this is your first Adelaide show and hindi na tayo babalik siguro next year. Sabi niya, we will go once and that's it. Para lang alam mo kung anong ganap ng show. Sabi niya, pili ka ng isang show bag, ako magbabayad. So, I chose the Showpo na show bag. Nasa kwarto, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. But ito yung binili niya kasi tradition daw sa kanila dito na bumili ng ganitong show bag. Ano siya? Bertie Biro. Chocolate siya. So, yeah. Dami na niyang kinain. I will have my biscuits. Yung Italian na flaky pastry. This. Ubusin ko to. And then si Dan, hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin niya. Hello! I look like an old lady. I'm wearing this really thick knitted cardigan. Stylewe.com sent this to me, I don't know, a few months ago. And yeah, it's a really long cardigan with huge pockets on both sides. And I'm wearing it with my hair up, no makeup on. And we will go to the grocery para mag-grocery shopping. Masakit ng puson ko. And then yung anak ko, pimple ko. Diba tatlo sana to sala? Isa na lang natira. Which is good. Tapos merong isa dito na medyo red. Pero hindi siya pimple kasi hindi naman siya masakit. Ready na yung lista ko. So meron nang nakaplano na meals. 4 na meals. So for next week. Tapos yung lunch niya, gusto niya yung capsicum ulit. So yun yung gagawin ko. Dito kami sa Coles. Sinihintay namin yung number namin, 62. So, one more. Dito kami sa deli. We will buy bacon. Yep. Oh, yes.
With the middle bacon, how many strips would a kilo be, do you think?
The middle bacon,
Yeah.
like packets.
Oh, no, yeah, so would a kilo be like 10 strips or 12 strips or 15? Roughly.
Yeah, between 10 to 12.
You guys, something really strange happened inside Coles. I will tell you later. Hello, we're home. Gamit ko yung tripod na binigay ni Roslyn, yung maliit na tripod. You guys, you will not believe. Diba nagpunta kami sa Coles kanina, and then we got bacon, na-vlog ko siya. Hindi ko naman na-vlog yung mukha ng babae, yung bacon lang. Like, you know, I showed you guys. You saw the vlog. Tapos naglakad-lakad na kami sa grocery kasi hinanap namin yung iba namin kailangan. And then, nung nandun na kami sa spice area para bilhin yung pepper, may biglang nag-approach sa amin yung babae na binila namin ng bacon. Parang takot na takot siya. Tapos kasama niya yung manager niya. Pumunta sa amin. Sabi niya, excuse me. Tapos hindi niya ma-express kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin. As in, sobrang takot na takot siya. And I was like, yes. Tapos wala talaga siyang sinabi for like, what, a minute. Wala siyang sinabi at all. Akala ko, ano nangyari? May ninakaw ba ako? Kasi ako yung in-approach niya. Sida nandun lang. And hindi namin alam kung ano sasabihin namin. Kasi nga wala siyang masabi. Parang sobrang takot na takot yung mukha niya. Na parang meron siyang gusto sabihin pero natatakot siya. Like, I was like, ano ba nangyari? Tapos yung manager, finally, sabi niya, kasi kanina nagfi-film ka. Sabi ko, tapos si Dan, parang sabi na niya, oh, she's a YouTuber. Tapos doon na, feeling kasi nung babae, parang film ko siya. Pero it was all good kasi sabi ng manager, okay na pala. Okay lang, sorry sa disturbo, ganun. After nun, pumunta pa kami sa ibang grocery. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi naisip ko lang yung si ate, as in you guys, yung mukha niya talaga, parang feeling niya mawawalan siya ng trabaho, something like that. Sabi ko sa kanya, I'm so sorry. As in, nag-sorry talaga ako sa kanya. Kasi, sobra yung mukha niya. Takot na takot. Pagluluto na sila ng dinner. So, na-prepare ko na yung lahat ng ingredients na kailangan niya. Nandito yung onion na dice, hindi niya to gagamitin lahat for sure. And then, mushroom na dice din. And then, bacon, hindi din niya to gagamitin lahat. And then, yung avocado na ready ko na din. Inano ko na siya ng ganito kaliliit. And also, you will need cream, babe, right? The thickened cream. Ito. And, of course, the tortellini pasta. Right there. Beef tortellini. Onions.
All at the same time.
Okay.
Heaps of bacon.
I love bacon. Just add more. More.
I do.
Okay. Mushroom. Add all of it. Mix-mix mo lang siya. Hanggang sa maluto yung bacon at saka yung mushroom. After nyan maluto, I think ilalagay na niya yung thickened cream. Time to put on the cream. Nilipat namin yung pasta dun kasi mas malakas yung apoy dun. So, isimmer mo lang siya hanggang sa parang ma-thicken siya, I think. Basta. And then the last step is the avocado, right?
Yeah, we can do the avocados pretty soon though. And a bit of cheese in it as well.
Oh yeah, kailangan pa pala ng Parmesan cheese. Nandun na pala yung avocado at saka nilagyan na niya din ng Parmesan cheese. So, nung ganito na siya kanina, yung parang nagbo-boil, nilagay niya yung avocado at saka Parmesan cheese. I think, parang naglagay siya ng 4 to 5 teaspoons ng Parmesan. Tapos, yung pasta, cooking na din. And then, yes, after maluto na to, this should be ready na, I think. So, yeah. Ito na ang pasta. Looks so good. Lagyan natin ng Parmesan cheese. Plenty. Thank you, babe. Kain tayo. Tapos na kami kumain. Sobrang yummers ng pasta. That was so good, babe. Yeah, I really like it. As in, sobrang yummers. I hope nakita niyo yung recipe because the last time we did that, a lot of you guys asked kung ano yung recipe. So, yun lang naman yung ganap talaga. Yung kanina yung pinakita ko. So, yeah. Kung gusto niyo i-try, let me know. Send me pictures and let me know kung ano yung resulta. That's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye.